Welcome to the FlameTask tutorial on equipment reports. Equipment reports are a way to get equipment records, activity, and due dates to a PDF or CSV for distribution to management. Most of the reports are done at the site level. This means a site has to be selected first before generating the reports. Let's start in the web system by selecting this site. The right-hand pane are all of the site reports available. The most common report is the inspection report. The starting and ending dates show all activities between the specified range of dates. Show questions and answers will show these details if questionnaires are turned on and being used. The show history time toggle will display the actual time of the inspection. If toggled off, it will just show the date of the inspection. Type will default to PDF, but has the option for CSV, which can be opened with a program such as Excel. Layout as landscape or portrait. Create will generate the report and download to your computer. The first couple of lines is the equipment information and location information. The following lines are all of the inspections, services, deficiencies, etc. Lines in black have no outstanding inspections or services, but lines in red have either the inspection overdue or the next service is overdue before the end of the current month. The equipment line shows the last inspection, and also the due date for the next service due. Another report is the equipment report. Without the show services toggled on, it will display only the equipment records. If we do it again with show services toggled on, a range of dates will be pre-populated to a very large date range. This will select and display all scheduled services between the range of dates. To select only the things overdue, and due up until the end of the year, leave the starting date but change the ending date to the end of the current year using the date selector. For this option, if no services fall within the selected date range, no activity lines will display, nor will the equipment record itself display. This is by design, because you only want to look at equipment with something due, or overdue. The deficiency report asks for the same type of information. This shows all deficiencies for the site in the date range. If the date closed column is filled in, then that deficiency was opened but closed, otherwise it is still open as an outstanding deficiency. The equipment due consolidated report will display all equipment with totals of each for the selected site. They are consolidated by whatever is toggled on. For example, to get totals for all of the 10-pound ABC extinguisher regardless of the manufacturer, just toggle on Consolidate by size and type. The questionnaire report will list out all questions and answers for the site between the range of dates. Note that some reports are only available for the level of the FlameTask subscription that is selected. Some reports are not at the site level but overall for all sites. Select Reports from the top menu. The first one is Site Report. This option will only be available with the subscription including service months. You can select all sites or the ones for a particular month that line up with what is selected in the service months for a site. In short, this will print a list of sites to be visited in any given month. The Selective Equipment Report will list all equipment summarized by site that match any specified criteria. Leaving it blank means you don't want to be restrictive, such as size and type. The time at site report is generated for a specific technician. It will show how long the technician was at the site and the number of pieces of equipment inspected at each site between the specified range of dates. Thanks for watching the FlameTask tutorial on equipment reports.